Hi guys, it's Hybrid Gamer here, and welcome to Minecraft. So let's do this. So I'm gonna show you how to build a modern house. Delete this. Let's create a new world. Let's see, what world should we create? Let's say, you know what? Let's do hybrids. Spell it good. Hybrids game. Put on creative. Now it's good. Let's do super flat and then just off. Allow sheets on. Join structures off. And let's do this. So yeah. I'm gonna be doing videos maybe 4 times a week, 5 times a week, I don't know. So yeah. So what you want to do is you want to get some quartz, and then you want to get some of this white stained clay, and let's see, what else should we get? You know what? Let's get some cobblestone. Let's get some stone. Where is stone? There we go, stone, and let's see. Yeah, we're gonna build the main body first. So let's do this. Look at this. This is how you do it. We're gonna build a little. Wait, let me just count. If you want to build with me, so you can. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 blocks, maybe 13, 14, 15. Yeah, perfect. Now we're gonna just fill it up. I just started YouTube, so please like, and not but please help me, because I'm just started. I'm actually 11 years old, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing videos 4 times or 5 times even a week, because I really want to do a lot of videos. And yeah, so I'm now recording at night. And I can only record videos for 10 minutes, so sorry about that. And it's 5 o'clock, exactly 5 o'clock. Okay, so for me now, you're watching this tomorrow, if you're gonna watch this. Come on. Yeah. Now you got this. Go away. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that little slide. Okay, so so now once you got this done, we're gonna get some more quartz, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 blocks high, and we're gonna build across just like that. Quartz. It might not look like a modern house, but you will see. It's not a modern house, it's like a future house. Anyone build that out for like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. There you go. Anyone just fill that in. No. I am gonna get a webcam. Like I'm gonna do webcam videos with my webcam, but I haven't got a webcam yet. And I'm gonna get a proper gaming headset, because I'm recording this with actually my webcam, but the computer thinks it's microphone, so it works. So yeah. So now we're gonna get our stone, and we're just gonna turn this down here, goes here, comes here, round here, and till here. I might not finish this today, but I'm gonna have a part 2. It's gonna go with 2 parts or 3 parts. So now we're gonna get our little block of quartz. No, you know what? Let's do some cobblestone. I'm just gonna build it here, here, and here, and here, here, here. There we go. And we're just gonna put it all the way across and back here. So now you can clearly kind of see the shape. Yeah, so it's gonna be like, this is like the main support kind of thing going on. And we are gonna build quartz blocks going up from here all the way up, so like this. And then it's gonna be, we're gonna build it all the way around. And somewhere around here. Yeah, so this is gonna be the roof. You know what? Yeah, you know what? Let's make the roof like this, out of clay. So yeah, my name is Torvidas, but I prefer to be called Todd, and so just call me Todd in the comments if you're gonna leave in comments. I'm gonna be doing Blacklight Retribution videos, and lots of Minecraft videos, and some Warface on Steam, by the way. If you don't know what Warface is, just the Steam game. That is awesome. So now we're gonna build this like this. So it's gonna be a corner, and then it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 6th block from there. I'm gonna build that and then just build that in the corner. Okay, now we're gonna build this stone brick thing. So we're gonna just start by placing stone. Let's just dig in here. Ow, can't do it, can't do it, can't do it. No, I can't do it, you know what, let's leave it. Going to be by placing stone here, coming out here, and just placing 2 blocks here. There's going to be windows here, so you want to leave it a bit, and then start here, 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 here. And I'm doing this on a PC version, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to do mod showcases, a lot of mod showcases. What the hell? Okay. Yeah. So this is the main part, really. Done. So now we're going to go on the second part. Do the same with, so basically there's going to be a balcony there, kitchen here, room, and like a living room down here, down the hallway, and basically a room there, and that's it, basically. Not more fancy dresses. Okay, so yeah. I hate when it just it glitches a bit, because it thinks you're building from the under. Well, you are, but like you should build, because you're on creative mode and does that. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's do quickly some windows by the time we got left. So let's just clear all that out. We're gonna go and let's get some grey, light grey. I love light grey, literally just like an inspiration. There you go, there's one done. Now there's, oh my god, another done. Quickly do some windows. By the time I haven't got much time. Ugh! God, delicate process. Very hard, you see.